Hello, everyone! Today I'm diving into something powerful, what I like to call the seductive era or attractive era. And no, I don't mean trying to fit into what people expect or molding yourself into someone else's idea of attractive. This is about stepping into a version of yourself that feels true, empowered, and magnetic. So let's talk about how to live with authenticity, confidence, and self-love. Let's start your seductive/attractive era. The foundation of your seductive or attractive era is authenticity. Being unapologetically, you mean showing up as yourself, flaws and all. I know, easier said than done, right? Society constantly tells us to mold ourselves into someone else's idea of ideal. But real power, real attractiveness, comes from embracing who you are. Imagine being in a room and knowing you're not putting on any fronts. You're not pretending to like something just to fit in, and you're not overthinking every word you say. Instead, you're showing up as the real you. When you live like that, you naturally attract people who love you for who you are. That kind of connection is genuine, and trust me, it feels incredible. So be unapologetic, even if that means some people won't vibe with you, because the ones who do will truly see you. The next part of your seductive or attractive era is about respecting yourself and setting boundaries. Self-respect means knowing what you deserve and not settling for anything less. Let's be clear, people will treat you the way you let them. If you keep letting others push you around, they'll keep doing it. But if you set boundaries, you'll only allow people into your life who respect and value you. Think about how it feels to say no when you really want to say no. It's powerful. Boundaries aren't about shutting people out. They're about protecting your energy. And guess what? People respect those who respect themselves. You don't need to justify your boundaries to anyone. Your peace, happiness, and self-worth are worth more than anything else. So don't apologize for knowing what you deserve. Confidence is key to your seductive/attractive era, but it's not about arrogance. It's about self-assurance, knowing your worth, and not being afraid to show it. True confidence doesn't need validation from others. When you walk into a room, don't hide. Stand tall. Let your energy fill the space. Remember, confidence isn't about always having it all together. It's about trusting that you'll handle whatever comes your way. To build confidence, challenge yourself to step out of your comfort zone regularly. Start small if you have to. It could be something as simple as making eye contact when you're speaking or being the first to speak up in a group. Each step outside your comfort zone builds that confidence muscle. With time, you'll radiate the kind of confidence that draws people in. Here's the deal. Self-care matters. Taking care of your appearance isn't about vanity. It's a form of respect for yourself. When you put effort into how you look, you're telling yourself, I'm worth the time and effort. And remember, self-care is about more than just your appearance. It's about caring for your mind, body, and soul. Find small ways to invest in yourself every day, whether it's a skincare routine, dressing in a way that makes you feel good, or spending time on things that bring you joy. Take care of yourself, not because others are watching, but because you deserve it. We all have a voice inside that nudges us in certain directions. That's your intuition, and it's often more accurate than we give it credit for. Trusting yourself, especially in situations where you feel uncertain, is a game changer. When something feels off, listen to that feeling. Your intuition is like a built-in guide that can protect and lead you. Too often we ignore it, thinking we need others to validate our decisions. But the more you listen to that voice, the stronger it gets. Trusting your intuition makes you more decisive, confident, and aligned with who you are. Start practicing it in small ways, and soon it will be your biggest strength. This is your time. your seductive era, to step into who you are with pride, strength, and self-love. Embrace authenticity, set boundaries, radiate confidence, honor yourself, and trust your intuition. Remember, being magnetic doesn't mean being perfect. It means showing up as you, fully and unapologetically. Let people see the real you and attract those who truly appreciate you for who you are. So here's your challenge. Step into your seductive or attractive era today and don't look back. If this resonates with you, drop a comment and tell me how you're stepping into your seductive/attractive era. Let's inspire each other by sharing the video to a friend. And if you want more content on confidence, self-love, and personal growth, don't forget to hit subscribe. Keep showing up as you, and I'll see you in the next video.